How to lower CPU usage. High CPU usage can reduce efficiency, cause system instability, and even hardware degradation. By letting it go unchecked, you might risk the health of your computer. Today, we'll discuss a critical aspect of system performance: CPU usage. It is essential for IT professionals and users to understand how to monitor and lower CPU usage. Before we begin, subscribe to NinjaOne IT Tech Tips for more helpful content like this. Understanding CPU usage. CPU usage refers to the percentage of a processor's capacity being utilized at any given time. Consistently high usage can strain system resources, leading to slower performance, increased heat generation, and potential hardware failure. This is why it is crucial to effectively manage your CPU usage and maintain system reliability, which will ultimately extend the lifespan of your hardware. How to lower CPU usage. Now let's discuss actionable strategies to reduce CPU usage. Changing Windows 10 settings. For Windows 10 users, you can lower CPU usage by tweaking some unique Windows 10 features. Adjust your power plan. First, adjust your power plan. This ensures that your CPU is used to its full potential without the drawbacks of any power-saving features. Just keep in mind that it may consume more energy in the process. You can do this by clicking on the Windows Start button and searching for Power Plan. Then, select Choose a Power Plan, and then Show Additional Plans. Find and select High Performance, so that you can take advantage of your CPU usage without being held back by power-saving measures. Tweak your system. Another option is to tweak your system to adjust for best performance. This might make your interface much simpler, but it frees up valuable CPU resources. Check your performance settings. You can do this by opening System Properties and typing View Advanced System Settings. Once in the Performance Settings window, find the option to adjust for best performance. Make sure to apply this in the Visual Effects tab as well. Disable unnecessary background apps. To improve your system's performance, start by opening Settings. You can do this by either clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon, or by typing Settings into the search bar. Next, navigate to Privacy, Background Apps, and review the list of applications. Disable any apps you rarely use to prevent them from running in the background, as this reduces unnecessary CPU usage and helps your computer operate more efficiently. Manage your startup programs. To reduce the initial load on your CPU, prevent non-essential applications from launching at startup. To do this, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and go to the Startup tab. From there, you can view all the applications that launch when you boot your computer. To disable the programs you don't need, simply right-click on them and choose the Disable option. Adjust notifications and Focus Assist. To optimize system performance by reducing unnecessary background activity, start by managing your notifications through Settings, System, Notifications, and Actions. From here, you can disable or customize alerts from frequently distracting apps. For even better results, you can enable Focus Assist in the same System Settings menu. All you have to do is go to the Settings, System, look for Focus Assist. This feature minimizes disruptive pop-ups that can cause sudden CPU usage spikes when running in the background. Changing Windows 11 settings. If you are a Windows 11 user, you can start by following these tips. Optimize your power settings. To adjust your power settings, head to System, then select Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, you'll find a few options. Choose Best Power Efficiency or Balance to help optimize your power effectively. Disable background apps to reduce unnecessary CPU usage. First, open Settings, then go to Apps, Apps and Features. Find the apps you rarely use and click on the three dots. From there, select Advanced Options and disable background permissions. This prevents them from running in the background and consuming resources for tasks you don't need. Minimize startup programs. To optimize your system's startup performance, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, then navigate to the Startup Apps or Startup tab section. Right-click any unnecessary programs and select Disable. This prevents them from launching automatically when your computer boots up. By reducing startup apps, you'll free up CPU resources, ensuring your system runs more efficiently from the moment you power it on. Turn off visual effects. This reduces animations, but it will ease the burden on your CPU. You can go to Advanced System Settings, under Performance, click Settings, and choose the option to adjust for best performance. Keep Windows updated. To maintain optimal system performance, keep Windows updated by running Windows Update regularly to ensure all critical patches are installed. Additionally, check for outdated drivers, especially chipset drivers, which directly affect CPU efficiency, by typing Device Manager in the search bar and updating any necessary components. Staying current with updates helps your system run smoothly and efficiently. Use Efficiency Mode. If possible, use Efficiency Mode. Find a resource-heavy process in Task Manager, right-click on it, and then select the Efficiency Mode option. Adjust notifications and Focus Assist. To minimize unnecessary CPU usage from constant alerts, manage your notifications by going to Settings, System, Focus Assist. This feature helps reduce distracting notifications that can run in the background and consume system resources. So, what causes high CPU usage? Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the problem. There are a few common culprits. Background processes. Those apps running silently in the background that you don't even realize are there, they eat up CPU processing power. Managing your applications can help reduce the strain on your CPU. Malware. Viruses or malicious software can hog your CPU. Often, these programs run undetected, burdening your CPU without you even knowing. Resource-intensive applications. Applications that demand a lot from your computer, such as video or graphic editing tools and even video games, may slow down your PC. If many of these applications are running at the same time, it could take its toll on your CPU. Improper configuration. Sometimes, improper configuration of hardware settings could affect CPU issues, especially if any patches or updates change it. However, simply adjusting the settings again should be a quick fix for most of these issues. To wrap up, high CPU usage doesn't have to be a headache. Keep your systems clean, optimized, and up to date, and ensure your hardware can handle your software demands. For advanced monitoring and management, a quality RMM tool like NinjaOne is essential. It tracks CPU usage, memory, processes, disk health, and more, helping you stay ahead of performance issues. You can click the link below to try NinjaOne for free and see for yourself.